To resize a photo on Android, you will need to use the built-in photo editing app or download a third-party app from the Google Play Store. The most commonly used app for this purpose is Google Photos. First, open Google Photos on your Android device and select the photo you want to resize. Then tap on the edit icon, which looks like a pencil. Now select the adjust option from the bottom menu and then select the crop option. Now you can select from a variety of preset aspect ratios such as square or 4:3, or you can select custom to enter your own dimensions. If you want to resize the photo without cropping it, you can use the stretch option, but be aware that this may distort the image. Once you have selected your desired aspect ratio, you can adjust the photo to fit within the frame by dragging the corners of the box. When you are happy with the new size of your photo, tap on the save icon to save the changes. Alternatively, you can also use the Gallery app to resize a photo. To do this, open the Gallery app and select the photo you want to resize. Then tap on the menu icon and select Edit. Now select the Resize option and enter your desired dimensions. It is worth noting that resizing a photo will affect its quality, so it is best to only resize photos if necessary and to try to maintain the original aspect ratio to avoid distorting the image. It is also a good idea to save a copy of the original photo before resizing it so you can revert back to the original if needed. By following these steps, you can easily resize a photo on your Android device using either Google Photos or the Gallery app. Remember to always be mindful of the photo's quality and to try to maintain the original aspect ratio to ensure the best results.